Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to enable maintenance mode. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration, then Basic Settings. Click System Category and then Services. Select Yes from Close Shop due to Maintenance drop-down and save. Now go to Configuration and then Cache, Performance and click on Cache, Performance submenu. Go to Cache tab, click Select All, then click Clear and then Start Process. Now click on Shop and add new currency to Shop System. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos.